everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine, and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over our Crossing Riffs, number 13 through 15, so 13, 14, and 15. So if you haven't watched my videos going over riffs 5 through 12, I would recommend going back and watching those. Riffs tend to build on themselves, so you just keep adding on heels and toes, and the reason why riffs 10 to 15 become crossing is because there's nowhere left to go, right? Once you do that number 9, what else are you going to do? What else are you going to do except more toes, more heels? So 10 to 15 become crossing so that you can add more toes, more heels, more sounds, right? So that's why 10 becomes, so on and so forth. So with number 12, we ended on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12 was that front heel. Okay. When we add on 13, you're going to add it like, you're going to start it like a 12, right? So step, scuff, heel, dig, spank, heel, step, scuff, heel, dig, toe. Instead of lifting that front heel for 12, now you're going to start with that back heel first and then the front heel. Okay? It's always about weight transitions in tap dance. So you want to make sure that your left foot is ready to go, that you have your weight on your right foot. If we were to do front heel, back heel, it would put us back on our right foot. And we want to transfer over to our left foot. So I like to think of crossing riffs as you start with a 5 and then you add on whatever number comes next, okay? So like with a 12, you're starting with your 5 and then you're adding on a 7 or ending it like a 7 count riff with that front heel. So that goes with a 13 as well. So you're starting like a 5 and then you're ending it like an 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So with a 13, again, you have step, scuff, heel, dig, spank, heel, step, scuff, heel, dig, toe, and then heel drops back front. Okay, it's the same thing on the left side. You have step, scuff, heel, dig, spank, heel, then step, scuff, heel, dig, toe, back, front. Okay, that is nice and slow. When you start to speed it up, you want to speed up that riff part, right? The step, scuff, heel. So starting to speed it up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, same thing on the left side, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I love riffs because they're called their name. They're called quite literally. So 13 count riff is literally 13 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So now let's move on to 14. You're going to start it like a 13. But now you're going to add that toe. Okay. So you're going to lift that toe and drop it down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Pick up your front toe, drop it down for 14. Same on the left side. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If you wanted to speed it up, again, speeding up that riff part, right? Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, same thing on the left side. Speed it up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. You can hear that there's a slight pause between your heel, pause, then you drop your toe. Okay, it's just a rhythm thing. You want to make sure that you're giving yourself proper rhythm to work with music or work with the timing. So 14 again, step, scuff, heel, dig, spank, heel, step, scuff, heel, dig, toe, heel, heel, front toe, pick it up, drop it down. When you do your 15 now, this is when it becomes a 5 and a 9. So 15, excuse me, 6 and a 9. I think I was telling you the wrong thing here. So a 13 is a 6 and a 7. 14 is a 6 and an 8. And then 15 is a 6 and a 9. There we go. So 15, you're going to start like a 13. Step, scuff, heel, dig, spank, heel, step, scuff, heel, dig, toe. You're going to go back heel, front heel. You want to make sure that your feet are close together on this one, because if they're too far apart, you won't be able to lift that back toe very well. So after your back heel, front heel, you're going to lift your back toe and then drop your front toe. Okay, so again, step, scuff, heel, dig, spank, heel, step, scuff, heel, dig, toe, back heel, front heel, back toe, front toe. Same thing on the left side. You have step, scuff, heel, dig, spank, heel, step, scuff, heel, dig, toe, back heel, front heel, back toe, front toe. Okay, you see how it ends like a 9 after we get here? From here, step, scuff, heel, dig, toe, heel, heel, toe. That's ending like a 9. So you start like a 6, just with a cross, and end like a 9 coming back across. Speeding up the 15, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, again, 5, 6, 7, 8. And same thing on the left, speeding it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. So you can also do these several in a row. So I'm going to try to do 2 of each, 13, 14, and 15. I will show you starting right side and then left side. So 2 of each, starting 13, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now 15. Nice. I kind of run out of space. I have a small board. Try it left side now. 13, 14, and 15. 2 of each. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 15. Last one. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.